Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the Fundy Discovery Site in beautiful Truro, Nova Scotia, a place where the wonders of nature and the charm of a small town come together to offer a truly unique experience. As you explore this scenic location, you'll be captivated by the breathtaking views of the Bay of Fundy, known for having the highest tides in the world. The ever-changing tidal landscape here is a marvel to behold, with the water levels rising and falling by as much as 38 feet twice a day. This natural phenomenon creates a dynamic and ever-changing environment that is both fascinating and beautiful. The tidal bore at the Fundy Discovery Site is a captivating natural phenomenon that draws visitors from all over the world. The Bay of Fundy's tides create a unique spectacle, where the water of the Salmon River appears to reverse its flow, giving rise to the tidal bore. This occurs when the incoming tide from the Bay of Fundy pushes against the river's current, forming one wave. The tidal bore is a dynamic and ever-changing event, occurring twice a day, and it transforms the river landscape in a matter of minutes. The Fundy Discovery Site is a perfect spot to learn about the unique geology and ecology of the Bay of Fundy. Interpretive panels and exhibits provide insights into the area's natural history, including the fascinating tidal patterns and the diverse marine life that thrives in these waters. It's a great place for nature lovers and families alike, with walking trails that offer stunning views of the bay and opportunities to spot local wildlife. Whether you're interested in exploring the great outdoors, learning about the local history, or simply enjoying the friendly atmosphere of a small town, this area has something for everyone. Thanks for watching!